how to verify your age on a Google account. So if you want to verify your age on a Google account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top left or on the top right, or just simply click on the profile icon and then go with manage your Google account. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once done here, you need to go with personal info, which will be in the left side. And then you'll be able to see your birthday. You need to click on your birthday. And here you will have your birthday, right? So you need to click on the arrow which will be on the right side, and here you need to update your birthday. So if you want to verify your age, just simply add another age. Like I'll just simply go with 2003 or 2001, anything. And now, for example, if you are a minor, it will trigger and Google will like you to verify your age, most likely providing legal documents and government IDs. So just make sure to prepare those in hand if you are a minor. And once done, it will automatically be updated on your profile or it will be verified. But if you're not a minor, then you won't need to verify your age. You can just simply change it and then go with save, and it will be saved or it will be updated. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.